Hrithik Roshan and Yami Gautam, who were present at the launch of the song Mon Amour from their upcoming film Kabul, had a good time shaking a leg and singing the song along with the singer's crew.
जब मैं 16 साल का था, जब मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन किया था, आज नेक्स्ट ईयर मुझे 50 इयर्स हो जाएंगे, तो मेरी माँ ने मुझे कहा था कि बेटा सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चलना हमेशा और किसी को पीठ नहीं दिखाना। और सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चलने के लिए आपको इमोशंस की ज़रूरत होती है, और जब तक आप में इमोशंस ना हो आप ज़िंदगी की कोई भी चीज़ तय नहीं कर पाते। तो मेरी हर पिक्चर में आप देखेंगे कि हम इमोशनल कनेक्ट के साथ पिक्चर बनाते हैं। जब संजय गुप्ता ने मुझे ये कहानी सुनाई, सिर्फ 3 लाइन पे ही मैं समझ गया कि इसमें कितनी इमोशंस हैं, इसमें इनहेरेंट इमोशन है। और फिर हमने ये चैलेंज को कबूल किया और इस पिक्चर को बनाई। और मैं अपने हर टीम मेंबर्स को, जो मेरे साथ यहाँ बैठे हैं, जो बैक स्टेज हैं, जो मेरे ऑफिस में हैं, जो यहाँ नहीं आ सके हैं, ये उनके सपोर्ट के साथ ही मैं पिक्चर बना सका हूँ। एंड आई गिव फुल क्रेडिट टू देम। थैंक यू।
जब मुझे ऑफ कोर्स अक्सर ये सवाल पूछा जा रहा है, यू नो, प्रमोटिंग द फिल्म, और आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है, क्या चैलेंजेस थे, तो मैंने पहले भी कहा है चैलेंज नंबर 1, चैलेंज नंबर 2, चैलेंज नंबर 3, 4 एंड गोज ऑन। बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट इट्स when you realize कि when it's not just a challenge, it's an opportunity. I think that the journey becomes much more fun, much more, I can't explain the feeling, and especially because when you're sharing that platform with not such veterans and stalwarts and the biggest stars and the finest directors, and but it's about the fact that everybody started this journey, as just Hrithik said, like, we're starting from page 1. We're all just beginners. We just want to explore something new. And everybody's just helping each other. I mean, there are lot of shots where Hrithik has taken perhaps maybe a retake just for me. He's perfect, but he'll say, Yami, I think you can do a little better. What if you just try this? Or Amit will come up with something, or Rakesh ji will have, his inputs, and of course Sanjay. And yet everybody is so happy. So it's almost like, he said it totally right, we were in our own world. And a world which we didn't want to maybe come out. But I think now it's time to share that world with you, what we have experienced, what we've gone through. And I think I'm not just smiling because I'm sitting here and we got to smile for the cameras, but it's really that smile which comes, it's just a happy, smile, because that's the state of mind we're in. That's the state of heart actually we're in. We're actually literally presenting our hearts to you. And we hope to touch yours. So.
मैंने संजय गुप्ता साहब आपको बताएंगे, जब राकेश जी ने मुझे ऑफिस बुलाया था, शाम को मैं गुप्ता साहब के घर गया और स्क्रिप्ट सुनने के बाद obviously I heard the script, I was blown away, and when I heard my role, I was blown away totally. I said I can't do this film, and I went away. I didn't sleep all night, and the next day, and Rakesh ji was asking him कि अरे लड़का मना क्यों कर रहा है? He said, sir, मैंने कभी किया नहीं है. I don't know if I can do it. And then I must say, he said something about being emotional journey. Gupta is of course my family, but Rakesh ji and especially Hrithik, the words, the support, the love that they've shown me and my brother actually has helped us a lot. And I'm not saying this because I'm on stage, you know it. It's just been fantastic. It comes organically to both of them. Hrithik I've known for a very long time, but through the journey of this film, it's actually like I've come to know him better and better. And I'm sure this is my favorite song. I don't know whether you guys agree. And there's one shot which can only come organically. After he takes the first couple of steps and he says, Mon Amour, the second Mon Amour, there's a genuine glee in his eyes, which says, oh man, I got it. So I think that journey has been fantastic. And I'm sorry, Ami, for the things I did in the film. Not meant. The whole fault is Sanjay Gupta.
I realized that from all the characters which I have played, there have been some which have been challenging, like Koi Mil Gaya, Guzarish. But Kabul has definitely been one that I had to give most time to, and most effort in the prep. Because I realized that as an actor, to develop the skill of playing blind takes time. It took a lot of time to understand how to get the body language right, and how to, reacting for the first time is one thing, but reacting again and again and again when you have retakes makes it even more tough. So in that regard, it has been different because it's taken a lot of more time and more effort. And I think it's one of the most difficult roles that I have tried to play.